Hey everybody, it's Lisa. And have you ever bought something just because the price was exactly right for you that you thought, well, that's such a good deal that I'm just not going to pass it up? Well, that's me. And Walmart had a Black& and Decker 3-in-1 stick vac for $15. And I decided that $15 was about as good as you're going to get with something like this. And I have a stick vac, um, and it's a pretty nice one, but unfortunately, um, the top of it has popped off. So it's mainly good for like small things, and I'd like one that has the handle still attached to it, and so I got the Black& and Decker 3-in-1 stick vac with built-in dual lights for dark spaces. And it's up to 600 watts of motor, non-stop corded power, unlimited run time. Let's see here. Whoa. Okay. Quick release handle converts to a hand vac. Brush attachment for fabrics and delicate surfaces. Crevice tool for hard to reach places. Washable HEPA filter. Traps dirt, dust, and pollens. Bright LED lights on handle and roller head. Pivot steering swivels sideways up and down. So we're going to unbox this bad girl. Hang on. Comes with a nice big instruction manual. And here's the brush tool and the crevice tool. And this. And finally we have the body of the vacuum, and the little HEPA filter is already installed. No brush head, but I wasn't expecting it to have one in one of these types of vacuums. Usually if you want one that has a brush roll, you're going to be paying almost $40 for it. And I do have that one that it does, but unfortunately the handle no longer attaches to it. But it still works. So there's your LED lights. I think that's really a cool thing about it. There's even little metal prongs for the light when you stick it in. It's not difficult to insert or pull out, so that's also good. So we have some, I think this is from one of my reefs, or it could be from the actual white tree, but that, and also some little bits of packing peanuts that are still on the floor after I unpacked something. And so I think we'll try to pick these up and see how well it does. Yeah, I think it has pretty good suction for what it is. It's not really made for carpet much, but like it will get like the little pieces of the styrofoam and um, garland and such as that. So for like a if you're like in a hurry for a quick run or something like that, I think it would work sufficiently for anything like that. And so far, I'm happy with it. Um, well, it certainly did pick up some cat hair because look at that, and that was just running it for a few seconds. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little more vacuuming with this, and then I'll try to break out the other attachments and see how it is. So yeah, it does help the this it's actually supposed probably mainly for furniture and whatnot, but it does help um to have that. It would probably be more helpful if I had like completely emptied the thing, but it is working. Um, so I will, and there's still like another little light with it, which you can have when you're just using the attachments as well. So that's pretty neat. Um, anyway, I will be back when I'm using the other implement, and then we'll end the video with my assessment. Um, thank you. Bye. I'm going to say that this part is probably my least favorite of the tools. First time it actually came out, and then okay, um, yeah, the first time it came out, and then um, it just it's very narrow, which I guess a crevice tool should be. Um, but I just wasn't that impressed with the crevice tool, to be honest. I may try to do it without the without any tools on it. See how it works. Okay, here's the last demonstration. So yeah, she's basically full. She did get a lot of stuff. So I think I'm going to maybe label this as a 4 out of 5 because for the most part it's a really good little vacuum and it does pick up a whole lot of stuff and of various sizes. Um, but if you're looking for something that will um, work very well with crevices or with cat hair or anything like that, you might be a little disappointed. So that's why I'm giving it 4 stars instead of 5. But I love the light. I love how lightweight it is, and I'm overall very satisfied with my purchase. Um, Thank you all for watching. Bye.